countrymen and women have just been in my bathroom and attentively listening to the budget address by the Minister of Finance and National Planning, Honorable Stumbeko Masakutwani. And let me say this before I issue a comprehensive statement on my views on the budget, that agony and the biggest joke of the year, I'm saying agony and the biggest joke of the year, is to have a government that gives tax concessions to multinational mining companies who make a lot of money, some of them who are even just doing exploration. You give them tax concessions and then introduce taxes on fuel, petrol and diesel, and claim that the money that is going to be realized from the taxes on diesel and petrol will be used to improve maternity services in the hospitals. This is unfortunate. Instead of taxing the mining companies that are making money, colossal sums of money, you go and introduce tax on fuel, which is ultimately going to affect the poor people. Because when you increase fuel, when you introduce taxes on fuel, you are ultimately increasing the cost of doing business and increasing the cost of living for the poor people. When you increase fuel, like it is going to happen after midnight, because of the introduction of taxes, reintroduction of taxes, which is ultimately removal of subsidies on fuel, that everything will go up. The cost of transport will go up, the cost of goods and services will go up. And then you go and give tax concessions to mining houses that make a lot of profit. You give concessions to the rich people and introduce taxes against the poor people and increase their cost of living. Really, Minister of Finance,